In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Keep note to another Google account. 5 minutes. If you use Google Keep for quick ideas, checklists, or project notes, sharing a note with another Google account is a great way to collaborate in real time. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the note you want to share. Start on any Google page in your browser. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots. This opens the app launcher. Scroll through the list until you find the Keep icon. If you don't see it right away, expand the list and look again. The order can vary depending on your usage. Once you spot Keep, click it to open Google Keep in a new tab. Inside Keep, you'll see your notes laid out as cards. Find the specific note you want to share. If you have a lot of notes, use the search bar at the top to quickly filter by keyword, color, or label. Click the note to open it so you can see all of its contents in the toolbar. Now look for the collaborator option. It appears as a person icon, often with a plus sign next to it, along the bottom or top toolbar of the note depending on your screen size. Click that icon to open the collaborators window. This is where you choose who can access the note. In the collaborators window, select or type the email address of the Google account you want to share with. If the address is already in your contacts, it may appear as a suggestion. Otherwise, type it in fully. Make sure you've entered the correct address, because whoever you add will be able to view and edit this note. Once added, the collaborator gains the ability to make changes, and any updates they make will sync for both of you almost instantly. A few quick tips as you share. If the note contains sensitive information, review it first and remove anything you don't want to share. Remember that sharing a Keep note gives the other person editing access, so treat it like a collaborative workspace. If you're sharing a checklist, both of you can check items off and add new ones. If it's a text note, both of you can edit, add images, or change the color to keep it organized. If the other person doesn't see the note immediately, ask them to refresh their Keep page. It usually appears within moments. That's it. Open the Google Apps menu, launch Keep, open your note, click Collaborator, and select the email. You're ready to collaborate smoothly across Google accounts.